I imagine a world where children would have enough food, enough education, and I'm very happy to be part of this amazing project.
Our children have the right to equal opportunities, to thrive, to be happy and healthy and safe.
Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us, above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do.
Nessuno ammazzato
And no religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace.
You may say I'm a dreamer,
but I'm not the only one.
I hope soon